Hello everyone, DJ Aaron here. I did a video on my, should I say desktop earlier, and you know, um, you guys might think, well, why am I running Windows 8.1 on something that's a little older than, uh, what it would normally be used to run on? Well, my motherboard in this computer really isn't that old. It really isn't old. But one of the things that shocked me and surprised me was how I managed to run Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 on such an old machine like this when the hardware really isn't new at all. It's kind of shocking. How I did the upgrade from Windows 7 to 8 and then from Windows 8 to 8.1. It was kind of shocking how the update has, basically installed and working just fine. I am wondering, since Microsoft is not releasing an 8.2 update, they're just going to have to do the task or the menu, or should I say the start menu in Windows 9. Then I realized, well, you could get that same thing with Classic Shell and other start menu applications, but I kind of like the Metro user interface. I kind of like the Metro. It has kind of grown on me a little bit. Um, it has grown on me, you know, since I started using it. And, yeah, it does take a little bit of time to wake up the start button on this older computer. But as far as I'm concerned, it does work flawlessly. And I haven't had any issues with the weather app at all, or any of that. As you can see, the weather app works just fine after it loads. But as you can see, I can click on the weather map. You can kind of see Amarillo, Texas right there. You can also see my current location, which is right there. But other than that, there's a bit of Texas. We can pause the weather radar, and we can also unpause it. Now this would be, well, there we go. We unpaused it now. But I can monitor the weather. Yeah, there is some weather out there, but it all seems to be moving at an upward pace. But we might get some weather to get us. But there is the weather app working and very good. So, and I could close it like a regular application, which is cool. Let's see what the let's see. I've been chatting on Skype with Nate and Compwiz and Bright. So yeah, as you can tell, the windows are snappy in 8.1. I really like it. Then again, most people hate it. They wish Windows 8 was never even a part of the Windows ecosystem, but I like it. I love it. I like how I can go down here to the start button and click back to start. Now what I'm going to do is, since I had this UXW Bill background on there for a while, I'm going to change the background. Ooh, personalization is full screen. Given some things take a while to come up. What I did have before was the Angry Bird. We have Beta, which is right here. We also have the Pink Floyd, which kind of, when you think about it, if you go to start, it doesn't show exactly the start thing on the task bar, because it's kind of camouflaged and hidden. So you kind of gotta hit it wherever. And if you look at this, the minimize and maximize buttons are pretty much camouflaged too. So that's also another benefit of having this Pink Floyd background. We also have a macOS Snow Leopard background, which I do like. Then we have a Space one, which turns it purple. Might not be able to see the purple on the camera, but it's there. Then we have the UXW Bill one. We got 3 Beatles ones, which is Yellow Submarine 1, 2, which makes the windows yellow, and then 3. So each one is different color, different shade color. And as you notice, there is arrow on the taskbar. It doesn't have arrow in the windows, but it does on the taskbar, which I find slick and neat. And then we have a Windows 8 background, which you can choose. We have lines and stuff like that. You can pull out the charms. There we go, that's charms. Alright, so as you can tell, there's more of an arrow effect in Windows 8.1 than there is in Windows 8, apparently. And there we go, we got some flowers. I seem to like the Angry Bird the best, so I'm going to slip it back to Angry Bird. So we got the Angry Bird now. And now, as you can see, it is now my Metro screen picture as well. So there we go. Anyways, that is it for this video. Peace out, practice, and enjoy. I'm really liking Windows 8.1. I think it's great and stuff. Once you wake the Metro up, it's alright. So, anyways guys, that is it for this video. Peace out, and practice, and enjoy.